Hi, Kenny from Exchilerator. That was just a demonstration of cavitation. In other words, your pump has air in it, and it needs to move the air out. You got to find a place for the air to go to. So what we're going to do is I'm going to demonstrate a kit that we've put together, and it's very simple. It's a T, a nipple, a valve, and a 3/8 by 1/2 inch male adapter with a U tube and a piece of vinyl tubing to take it to your bucket or waste, wherever you want to take it. You can dump it on the floor if you want. What we've done is we've utilized the Delrin ferrule, removed the stainless steel one, which I shipped to you, but we put a Delrin ferrule in there so that you can move it around and not mar. See how this thing's been tightened a number of times, so it moves up and down, so it doesn't mar the stainless steel and remains movable. And at this point here, there's no reason to really have to crank that down, because it's not going to be a positive stop past here. So you're just going to be venting water. You're going to build no pressure, and it makes it adjustable. You can move it around. Okay, so what we're going to do now, right now, this is mounted on my own personal. This is my own personal setup here. It's mounted on a chiller tray. This is a prototype chiller tray, and we go off to a two-way ball valve that takes and puts the wort either through the chiller or bypasses right directly to whirlpool, fermenter, wherever you are at that time during a brewing session. So it just turned this valve back and forth. But that's for a later date. I'm just showing you how it's hooked up. So right now, the way it stands, let's say we got this hooked up to your kettle. You got 200-degree wort in there. Somehow you managed to get an air bubble locked in here. All right, and everything's hot. It's very aggravating, very frustrating. And this is such a simple fix. Okay, so I'm going to turn the pump on. Now, you watch up in the background here. You're going to see the water start to flow out of there once we purge the air out. Okay, so we're going to open this valve. Then over here you're going to see I'd open the other valve. And you're going to see it begin to flow out. You can hear the RPM starting to change. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, and there you go. There's your air. You can hear the pump start to change the tone. We're going to close this. See, you're starting to flow over in the valve up on top. And that's it. It's a great little deal to have, especially when that wort's 200 degrees. And the other part is, when you're cleaning, now you can flush this out. You can flush that out. If you got wort stuck in there, you can flush the wort out. Or if you want to get solid wort and no water, you can let this go until this turns to wort, and then close her down, and then let her go. So that's it. And actually, right now, the way I got this pump set up, the water level is actually lower than the pump. So once you purge this out, it'll actually pull against gravity and deliver it up into the pot. So hope this helps you. It's very aggravating when you can't purge it out and you burn your hands and you're trying to get the air pocket out. And a lot of people have trouble, and they don't even know they're having trouble. It's just they think the pump is that's the way it works, and it's not. And once you put this purge on it, everything gets a lot easier, a lot faster, makes your brew day a lot better. All right, hope this helps. Everybody make good beer.